Hello everyone, it's Samantha. So today I am going to be doing a car Pinterest like makeover because I just always see pictures of really cute cars on my Pinterest account and I just really want my car to look like that. So first of all, what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to clean my entire car and then I'm going to make it all cute. I'm going to put like decoration, and this is just basically me manifesting that there will be road trips this summer. And I'm really excited to see how this turns out. So let's just get started. So I just took a bunch of videos and I'm not sure if they turned out because I look like George Washington right now. And also I was so scared to get my camera wet. I don't know what footage I have, but I basically just cleaned the outside of my car. Oh my god, it's so hot. Okay, we're just gonna leave this open. Now I just have to clean the little walls because they're kind of smudged, and then the dashboard and everything with this Armor All. And then I can start making it pretty, so I'm so excited. So I just cleaned the dash of my car and the sides and everything, and I took all the clutter out of the sides and everywhere. So now it's time to decorate. I'm so excited for this. I've been waiting till I had like all my stuff to do a full makeover. So first is the steering wheel cover from Natural Life, which is this really cool website. It has like the cutest car stuff. It's probably where you see like all the Pinterest decorations and stuff. So I'll link that down below, and I'll link this. So let's just put this on. And I've never had a steering wheel cover before. Oh my gosh, I love it. Ah! And then I have this little palm tree and little car plant. Oh my gosh. And then this, which I've actually had for about a year now, but it came in a 2-pack and I was gonna put the new one in, but I could not find it, so hopefully they'll turn up eventually. But we're just gonna put this here. Hey, oh my gosh, I'm ready to go to the beach. This is like a beach car vibe. And now for the plant. It's not an actual plant, but you know, it could be. You could put your actual plant in here, I guess. It'd get good sun. These are also from Natural Life too. I don't know if I said that already. But yes, they have the cutest things. Okay, so now we have those chilling. Okay, I'll probably turn off the AC. We don't want to kill the environment. So we're just gonna put this little friendship bracelet that I made that just says vibin', because you know, we're vibing, especially in this car. Oh my gosh. And then this just white scrunchie, so let's just put that on the little brake thing. I'll show you guys. Here's what the steering wheel looks like, and then the little plants situation. And then we have this going on. Yeah. Now I'm just gonna put this Polaroid and this little prayer thing. It's the Serenity prayer. I always love it. My mom gave this little charm to me, so I just want to put it up so I can see it every time I drive. So we're just gonna put it on the dash with some tape. Oh, like that. Super cute. And I just have this bag with just like an emergency kit kind of. It has sunscreen, perfume, hair ties, pin, a little mini brush, and some lotion. So we're just gonna put that in our glove compartment just in case. And the final touch is just this outside car magnet. I'm so excited. It's this car magnet and it says kindness matters with little stars, and I think it's so cute. Yes. Okay, but that's basically it for my video. This took a while, I'm not gonna lie. I started at like 3 and it's now almost 6. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see y'all next time.